How to open or create BeReal account. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can create a BeReal account. For that, you want to open the BeReal app on your device. If you don't have this application, you can head over to Play Store or App Store in order to download and install this. Once you have opened the application and you want to create a new account, you want to enter your phone number over here. After you have entered your phone number, you want to tap on the Send Verification Text option. Then a verification code will be sent on your number. You simply want to enter that. Now it is going to ask you to enter your name. Go ahead and enter that. Then tap on the Continue option. After that, you want to enter your date of birth. Then tap on the Yes option. Now you will have to create a username. So go ahead and do that. Tap on the Continue option after that. As you can see, your new account has been created. Now you can tap on the Post Your First BeReal and start using this application. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.